In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background in Adobe Fresco. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. Now, the first one is going to be if you're actually just trying to add a solid background color inside Adobe Fresco, okay? So of course, you'll need a layer. If you don't have one yet, of course, you can click on this button here on the right to actually add a new layer. But by default, when you actually create your canvas, your new document, you should have this background layer over here. So what I'm going to do here is just go to this fill tool inside the background layer. So I'm going to click on it to select it. And then you want to go over here to the left and click on this fill tool. And in the fill tool, you can go to the top and select your color. We're going to just go and use like a bright green over here. And I'm just going to click inside here. Now it says cannot fill this type of layer. This is going to happen for the first time you're trying this. So right click on your layer and convert it to pixel layer. Okay. When you do this, there we go. You can now fill this by clicking in here. And there we go. It's going to add a background. I can now go and add, for example, a separate layer in here. It's going to be like a transparent layer, and I can start putting on here whatever I want. So I could go and basically use any of the brushes. So if I change the color over here to something like blue, I can just go ahead and start painting over it, and I do have a background, okay? That's the first way to do it. Now, of course, you could also add an image background. So I'm actually going to remove whatever I've done over here, and I'm going to go to click on this button bottom left where you can place your image. So I'm going to click on Files over here, and I'm gonna pick an image. I'm just actually gonna use this over here. It's a map of Miami, a random thing, but still I'm gonna click on OK, open, there we go, and it's going to open. You can now go and move this, and you can of course change its size like this. You can use the edges over here, and you can make it as big as you want, and of course fill it as like a background layer over here. So this is now going to be your background layer, but to make it background layer, you wanna of course position it at the bottom. Now when you click on done over here, you can do it by basically placing it down here, but if it doesn't allow you to do this, it's usually because of course you can't actually have the background as one of the middle layers. It has to be the actual background. So in this case, if you actually want to put anything on here, you'd have to click on a plus button, and then of course make sure this layer is moved to the very bottom. So it can't be at the top, it has to be moved at the very bottom. So just click and drag it over, and it should work. Now whenever you've done this, I can now go ahead and of course do whatever I want here. I could go and draw over it like this. As you can see, it's working, it's showing. I could go and add separate images over here. So if I click on that, I can select, for example, like this image over here, and I can add this one as kind of a foreground to my background, and there we go. So that's kind of the ways to add a background in Adobe Fresco. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.